the first thing you want to do is that you want to organize your yarn, and this is the starting strand right here, and the other side of this is the working strand. So this is where it's going to be popping off with the project. So this is the very last part of the string that you're going to be using at the very end of your project. So what you want to do is you want to position it in your hand just like you see here, and I want you to lay this in front. So this operating last string is down in front of your palm just like you see here, and the string is going up over your hand towards the back. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to grab this string here, and I want you to wrap it around your thumb. So just wrap it around the back part of your thumb and come forward. I want you to open up your hand so your pinky is open, and I want you to go in between your ring finger and your pinky. And then I want you to come on the front side of your pinky and then back around the back side of your thumb. So just right in the back side of your thumb and then to the front. You're gonna create this figure 8 in your hand. So coming around, go back in between your ring finger and your pinky again, and you're just gonna keep on wrapping like this until the strand runs out. Okay. The goal is that you do not want these strands to be really crazy. You want them to be organized. See how they're in order? You want that to happen on both sides of your hand. So when you go to wrap, you want to just be very strategic about it. So take your time, and if you can speed up, great, and if you have to take your time, then take your time. Now what's gonna happen is that these, because you're keeping it organized, will be able to fall out of the bundle in an organized fashion as you lightly tug on them to release more yarn. So this way you can have a very long strand all organized for each one of your strands. So when you're satisfied, then you're just going to just end off in between your ring finger and your pinky, and I have more to go, but I'm just gonna stop here. So now we want to take that starting strand that we had, and I want to wrap it up. Okay, so wrap it up towards your palm and then tuck it down in between your palm and the work. So it's just gonna come around in a circle. And what I want you to do is just hold it and then just release the project, or release that, and that's gonna release an extra piece, and you can just lightly pull on it and that'll release a little bit more, and you can just go around in a circle, and I would suggest at least twice. And when you're satisfied, then all you're just going to do is just tuck it underneath of that starting that you had. You'll notice that the edge is taped. That's just because it's for a different tutorial. So now this is the operating strand into the project. So as I need more yarn, all I can just do is just lightly pull on it. Okay, so if there's any strands that are gonna get in the way, just get it out of the way and just lightly pull on it, and it will release it from this bundle. It takes a little bit of practice. See that? It's just releasing it as you go. So you can literally hang from a project, and unless you're lightly tugging on it, it will not release more yarn until you ask it to. So literally I can keep tugging on that string and the whole thing can literally fall out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you another example that I organized it from the actual project that Daniel was working on, and I organized all these to be little mini bundles just like so.